Hey crazy cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New York, cruelty-free EBE who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is a mystery box that I got from Colourpop. It's their secret stash mystery box that came out in December. I got this box for my birthday because, you know, spend a little money on yourself for your birthday. And why not? Because it's all about having fun, right? So, I'm very excited about this. Very excited. It came in on Friday, it came in Saturday actually, and it took its time because I got it during the holiday when Christmas was around. So it was like December 21st that I ordered it, like 3 days before my birthday, and I was just like, yeah, not the best timing, but you know what? I got it. So yeah, I'm gonna get it, right? So Colourpop says, they got a thing. It says, may your days be merry and your highlight bright. So it says, hey bestie, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Wishing you a warm holiday season filled with lots of laughs and more makeup under the tree. With love, Colourpop. Team from us to you. Which is so cute, like that. But yeah, very excited. So you get 5 products for $20. The value was $55. So I'm happy what I got because I'm so happy. Okay. So the first product I got is the Soul Body Angled Flat Top Kabuki Brush. It comes into this, and it's what it looks like. That's the angle. You can do this. I'm actually gonna use this stuff. Like, got this, might as well use it. And I don't mind doing that because I actually want to look shiny on the summertime. I don't know at this point, but yeah. So very excited about this, and the rest is eyeshadow palettes, surprisingly. So the first product I picked up is the Cashmere Forever. I'm very excited about this. So purple, all purple, which is purple actually is my favorite color, and I love playing with purple when it comes to eyeshadows. So excited about this, trying this out. Cashmere Forever. I really like these tones, really much so. Like, these are so cute. Like, you can do mini looks with these. Like, you can use 2 eyeshadows, you can use 3, you can use all of them and create a look, which I might do on Wednesday. Might as well play with purple. So the next one I got is a Color Vision palette. It's also a 5 eyeshadow. And it's the pink one, looks like. So they gave me 2 of the 5 ones, which is fine. And this was the pink here. Very cool tone colors. So definitely gonna play with this. I'm very excited to play with this, actually. I don't play with pinks very much, but I like it how I can't speak today. It has like browns and a shimmer, but it also has a pop of pink, which is kind of cute. I really do like that. And like, I love the Colourpop formula anyway. And I was like, yes. Okay. Next one is Down to Earth. I think this one was part of their Zodiac collection for their Earth Zodiacs. I am a Capricorn and a Virgo. My moon sign is a Capricorn. My sun sign is a Virgo. And of course, born December 24th, I'm a Capricorn. So I'm a very earthy person. And this is actually one of the... I don't understand when... Let me say this. I don't understand why friends think Capricorns or Earth, especially Capricorns, are very boring. We're not. We like to play with colors. At least I do. So, yeah, this is called Down to Earth. Like I said, I think this is part of the Zodiac one, or I don't know. I think it is. I don't know for sure. It's been a while that I, you know, when the Zodiac palettes came out, they were very popular at the time. And I was just like, yeah. And every time I see the Capricorn one, it's like, it's always browns. Boring colors. Don't get me wrong, browns are pretty cool colors if you use a pop of color. The rest of the time, I don't like. I like to play with color. But yeah, it comes with 4 mattes. No shimmers, nothing like that. It comes with a good transition shade. It has a deeper to medium dark colors, and it also has a black, which is fine with me. And this is more like this is a black. So I do like their formulas when it comes to the, like I said before, I really do like this is like perfect shirt for this look if I ever use this, but which I probably will, but I am going to use it because like I said, sometimes I like to go with earthy tones depending on my mood or anything like that. I'm just like very excited, you know, very excited. So the last product I got is another eyeshadow palette, and it's their 12 eyeshadow palette, and I got this so very lovely. Look at that packaging. I really do like this packaging. These packaging are so cute, and I'm very excited. And I really like the packaging. Like I said, I love mystery boxes from Colourpop. I do not get very upset with the mystery boxes because you never know what you're gonna get. But there is a couple of times, or one time, couple of times, I'm just like, I know it's supposed to be a mystery box, but can it be a very all-around thing? Which is fine with me. Like I said, we're eyeshadow palettes. I'm an eyeshadow palette kind of gal anyway. But yeah. But let's just see how this palette looks. But I'm very excited. When I saw that I got this, I'm like, no way. I finally got it. I love these colors already. I cannot wait to play with this one because it's a purple and it's a lavender shade. I love their shimmers, their Colourpop shimmers. I do not know if these, I don't think these are their Super Shock shadows they have any. If I'm correctly, there's none, which is fine. But I really, really do like this. I think this is a great spring to summer palette. I do think this could be a fall palette, depending how you're going to use it. But you can use any palette time of the year. It does not matter. But, oh my goodness, I don't know. I cannot wait to play with these. And like I said, for $20 and the value is $55. That's not bad. I actually don't mind it. It was a mystery box. It was a quick thing, and I did use a code. Do that. I will put it down in the description box if you ever want to save 10% off of your order. It is a fellow content creator on Instagram. She always finds dupes for different high-end brands to everything else, but she does have a code for Colourpop. Just use do that and you save 10%. I will not mind sharing different codes for everyone, just if you want to save money. I'm all about saving money, finding good deals, and I can find a good deal and also have a good coupon that helps with the deals. I'm taking it as fast as I can because today's day and age, gotta save money what you can. But yeah, so like I said, I'm very excited about the mystery box. When it said to come out, I'm like, yes, I'm ready for it. And I'm happy about it. So yeah. So if you do like this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more mystery boxes from me, make sure to hit the like button so I know. If you want to be part of the crazy Cuties clan, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We are a drama-free and judgment-free here. We do not put up with any of that. We welcome everybody here, and also don't forget hitting the notification bell so if you're notified of any new videos I upload. I do go live every Mondays and Wednesdays at 12 p.m. Eastern time, and on Fridays at 9 p.m. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless, and I hope you have the best New Year's start. Yeah. So hope you have a good. I love you and God bless.